Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk to you about buying silver and gold on the Silver Forum. Now for those of you that haven't heard of the Silver Forum, it's a great place to pick up your precious metals. You buy your metals pre-owned on there, so it's not like a mint or anything like that. It's basically a forum full of like-minded people that stack gold and silver, and it's a place that you can sell in confidence. Now, when I first discovered the Silver Forum, I was a bit kind of skeptical about it all. It's not like eBay where you're kind of protected, whereas if you don't get sent the goods, you've got kind of a process where you can complain. And quite often, although this is kind of a disadvantage for people that are selling, but quite often it goes in the buyer's favour. So if you don't get sent the goods, or you get sent the wrong goods, or they're broken or anything like that, you go down the resolution processes, and more often than not, if you're a buyer, you'll be getting your money back. Now, that's where it doesn't really work very well for the sellers on eBay, because quite often you can sell precious metals on there and people can say they haven't got them even though they have, and then they get their money back. So it kind of works both ways. eBay is very, very good for buyers. It really protects the buyer, but it doesn't really protect the seller. Now, what I've noticed with the Silver Forum is you don't really have like a kind of complaints process as such, but it's all based on reputation and trust. And some people have been on the Silver Forum for many years. They built up a very high reputation on there. They've got lots of trading feedback. It's very similar to eBay, how you have a feedback system. It's called trading feedback, and people have built up a big reputation on there, and they're not willing to waste all their reputation just for a few £100. So it is purely based on trust. You send the money, either PayPal or bank transfer. Some people do cash on there as well. And then you send the money, and then you have to trust that the person's going to send you the item. Now, touch wood, so far I've always had a great experience on the Silver Forum. I've brought a number of items on there now. I've probably brought around about 30 different items on there, and every single time it's been very smooth, really quick process. Sometimes I've actually paid for an item, so I've bank transferred someone some money for an item, and within 10 minutes I've got a tracking number back. So people have their own printers where they print off their own postage labels and things like that. So you literally, as soon as you pay, they print off a label and you've got your tracking number even before they've dropped it off at the post office, or someone from the post office has come and collected it. So it's really efficient. Quite often you'll get people that message you pictures to show that they packaged it up, to show you they're posting it. They send pictures of the item before they send it as well, more often than not. So it's really great place to buy your precious metals. Like I said, so far I've never had any problems on there. So let's get straight into the video. Today I've got another unpackaging video. This is something I brought from the Silver Forum, and it arrived very quickly, as like I said, always when I've bought stuff from the Silver Forum, it's tended to arrive very quickly. And like I said, this is just kind of an example of how well packaged things come when you buy them from the Silver Forum. People take a lot of time and effort in packaging them. People on the Silver Forum are stackers themselves, so they know what it's like to receive a badly packaged precious metal. Some people on eBay, they don't necessarily stack precious metals themselves. They're just kind of buying and selling. So you don't really get that same duty of care when you receive items. So as you can see straight away, it's in a sealed bag, airtight bag. Is it going to focus? There we go. Cardboard as well to protect it. Really nicely packaged. Sellotape all the way around. Let me grab some scissors. Give me one sec. Really need to get myself a knife. A lot of people that do unboxings and things on YouTube regularly, I see they have their knife next to them that they use. I need to get myself a knife, I think, to make these a bit more seamless. As you can see, I've gone for two 2022 Krugerrands, silver Krugerrands, absolutely gorgeous coins. What I love about the Krugerrand is I love how it's kind of like a matte finish. Just really, really nice coins. These are my first 2022 silver Krugerrands. I've got some 2021, I believe, maybe 2021s. But these are my first 2022 ones. The design's exactly the same. The design hasn't changed for quite a while. You do get different kind of limited edition designs where they've got, like, for example, the 50th anniversary had like a little 50 on it and things like that. But the actual main design hasn't changed for a long time. And although it is nice to have a different design, sometimes it is nice to have a kind of a coin that has the same design all the way through. Really, really nice looking pieces of silver. Like I said, from the Silver Forum, so I didn't pay any VAT on these because they're second hand, they're pre-owned. So yeah, really, really nice piece of silver. Let me know if you have any Krugerrands in your stack. Do you like the fact that they keep the design the same? Or do you prefer coins that kind of similar to the Kookaburra where they update their design each year? Personally, like I said, it's quite nice to have a coin that keeps its same design. Just gorgeous looking pieces of silver. Really, really nice. Great additions to the stack. Great quality. And really well packaged. And like I said, let me know in the comment section as well if you've brought from the Silver Forum. It would be interesting to hear your experiences. Thank you very much for watching my videos. We've just hit 150 subscribers, so absolutely over the moon. So as always, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.